It's the 55th year of our independence, and government, through a variety of initiatives, will be highlighting Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora for their talent, their tenacity, and for being excellent ambassadors for brand Jamaica. A special Jamaica 55 category has been created in this year's Prime Minister's Youth Awards for Excellence. This special category is open to Jamaicans 15 to 29 years old who have given yeoman service to their communities.
What we're seeking to do is to find at least 55 young people across 55 communities who have truly excelled in community work. You know, I think we all know a number of young people who work tirelessly. They stage homework programs, they have their youth clubs running, and we have to find them and again celebrate them and hold them up for other young people to see.
Applicants for this special Jamaica 55 award are expected to each submit a community project that benefits the area in which they operate. And to extend the impact of the project that's submitted,
this award comes with a grant component. So once they're awarded, they will get a grant that will help them to make this community project into a reality.
Nominations are open until August 31 and forms are available at moey.gov.jm, youthjamaica.com, or any youth information center across the island. And if you're not all the way convinced that you too can make a difference, hear from past recipient and current Jamaica House Fellow Jerome Cowens.
The truth is, it was when I got this award, I was empowered on a national level. You know, the Prime Minister Youth Award, the highest youth award in the country, I felt empowered. Needless to say, I continued and now have been getting recognition. I've been recognized by President Barack Obama. I've been recognized by the Queen of England at Buckingham Palace. I've been recognized by the Nelson Mandela family. But one of the things I always tell persons, especially when I travel, it started at home. When you look at some of these projects that persons are being awarded for, the return on investment is absolutely incredible. You're talking about volunteer hours, you're talking about young people learning skills, putting inputs into education.
So if you or someone you know fits the criteria for this commemorative Jamaica 55 award, apply today.